In this tutorial I will show you how to edit Unreal animations. We will try to make this idle animation less masculine and aggressive. Also, a new version of the one-click rig has released. Now we have some quick access buttons in the add-in panels. Import the Unreal character you want to animate. Import with default settings and uncheck the animation. In the new version we have quick access to the most used skeleton appearance settings. Convert the character to the Rigify. Also in the new version a meta-rig generation algorithm has a better heel placement. Import the animation you want to edit. This time set the animation to true. Select the rig and the animation and press the retarget animation button. By default the scene end frame will be set to the animation end frame. You can change it by unchecking the option. The script creates constraints for every FK bone and for the torso bone. You can bake the constrained bone position in several methods. For the torso I want to create keyframes on the start, the end, and the middle. Now if we clear constraints from the torso, the animation looks the same. For the legs I want to use IK. So I snap IK to FK and make one keyframe at the start since foot's in the animation is not moving. For arms I want to use IK and create keyframes at the start, the end, and the middle. The neck and the head has a more complex motion, so I want to bake every frame. For that you can use a bake action operator. I want more relaxed shoulders, so I'm just clearing constraints and backing them to the default position. Same works for spine bones. After baking all constraints you can delete source armature and continue editing the animation. Exporting the animation. Choose selected only. Add leaf bones, off. Only deform bones, on. All actions, off. NLA strips, off. Importing to the Unreal. Set Preserve Local Transform to On. If you don't do this, feats will have a strange behavior. If you know why it happens, write in the comments. With the right setting you will get a warning, but all will work correctly. We can duplicate the example mesh to compare animations. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.